Desiring to ring in the new year with a fresh look that won't empty your wallet? You're in the right place. We'll guide you through a step-by-step process to create a stylish, budget-friendly, non-formal party look. Firstly, let's talk about the crowning glory, your hair. Opt for a relaxed, casual hairstyle. A simple, sleek comb-over or a messy, textured top works great. Apply a bit of pomade or wax to keep your hair in place without looking too stiff. Now, let's move on to the topwear. As winter parties call for comfort and warmth, here are a few recommendations. Pair a snazzy, bright woolen sweater with a casual, low-bun hairstyle and some sleek black boots for a chic look. Alternatively, try a navy blue cashmere cardigan, teamed up with a messy top knot and some classic brown loafers. You could also go for a charcoal gray turtleneck sweater, paired with a sleek comb-over hairstyle and some trendy white sneakers. A mustard yellow knitted pullover with a relaxed ponytail and tan desert boots is yet another stylish. Finally, a classic black pea coat, coupled with some texturized hair and patent leather Oxfords makes for a timeless combination. Remember, you can mix and match these suggestions based on your personal style and comfort. Progressing to topwear meant for warmth, layering becomes your best style statement. For instance, a cozy, oversized sweater in a color like olive green or mustard yellow can be a game changer. It provides a pop of color and can be worn over crisp white shirt, adding an extra layer of warmth and style. You can also consider a well-fitted, flannel shirt in classic check patterns of red and black or navy blue and white. This can be styled with your straight-cut jeans for that comfy, yet stylish appeal. Moving to jackets, a black leather jacket is a must-have. It's not only perfect for keeping you warm but also adds a rugged charm to your outfit. You can pair with a solid color shirt and jeans or even a dress. For a more formal look, a structured blazer in neutral shades like gray or beige can do wonders. You can wear it over a turtleneck sweater for that sophisticated touch. Texture plays a significant role in your overall outfit, especially in warm clothing. A chunky knit sweater. A suede jacket can add depth to your look without overshadowing other elements. Likewise, a tweed blazer with its distinct texture can elevate your outfit's entire feel. The color of your clothing is still crucial, and in terms of warm topwear, earth tones like brown, olive, and rust are perfect for atypical, refreshing looks. These colors are versatile and can easily be mixed and matched with different pieces in your wardrobe, creating varying outfits that are visually appealing yet warm and comfortable. The perfect ensemble is never truly complete without the right accessories. A well-chosen accessory can not only elevate your style but also complement warm topwear in the most flattering ways. For a cozy, knitted sweater, a minimalist watch can act as a subtle and stylish accompaniment. Add a touch of class with a simple ring when sporting a trendy turtleneck. If you're wearing a chic, wool blazer, a sleek bracelet can serve as the perfect sparkly touch to your look. Irrespective of your outfit, don't forget to spritz on a fresh, crisp perfume to keep you smelling divine throughout the party. The type of footwear you pair with your warm topwear can elevate your style quotient. For instance, when you're sporting a classic hoodie, opt for clean, white sneakers to keep the outfit casual yet chic. If you're rocking a stylish leather jacket, try complementing it with classic black boots to add an edgy touch. Donning a cozy, oversized sweater? Pair it with some cute ankle boots for a touch of elegance. For a formal blazer or jacket look, consider black loafers to exude sophistication and class. And if you're wearing a high-neck pullover, suede loafers or moccasins can make your ensemble stand out. As for where to buy these fashionable footwears without emptying your pocket, brands like H&M, Zara, and Old Navy offer quality options at fair prices. For those in India, Westside, Max, and Pantaloons bring a wide range of stylish and budget-friendly choices. Remember, the best outfits are the ones that make you feel good about yourself. Here's to expressing your unique style effortlessly.